Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies using only your microwave. This is a fantastic way to enjoy a warm, homemade treat in just minutes, perfect for when you need a quick dessert. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for the best results. Now, let's get to mixing our dough. In a medium bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Finally, gradually add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, mixing until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix the dough. With our dough ready, it's time to shape and microwave our cookies. Roll the dough into small, uniform balls, each about 1 inch in diameter. Place these dough balls onto a microwave-safe plate, leaving some space between them. Gently flatten each ball slightly with your palm or the back of a spoon. Microwave the cookies for approximately 30 to 60 seconds on high power. Cooking times can vary, so watch them closely. They should look set but not browned. Once your cookies are out of the microwave, the most important step is to let them cool completely on the plate. They will be very soft when hot, but will firm up as they cool, becoming perfectly chewy. While they cool, you can prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once cooled, decorate your delicious microwave sugar cookies with the glaze and your favorite sprinkles. Enjoy your quick and easy homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.